There are over 150 million pets in America, and by some estimates, every day, over 5 million of them are urinated on the carpet. I'm Jeff with Dayton Carpet, and today I'm going to share with you the 5 biggest mistakes people make when attempting to clean urine from their carpet. Now, the number one mistake is they wait too long. Urine is unlike any other spill. If left to dry on your carpet, the proteins in the urine will crystallize onto the fiber, making removal much harder. And as the humidity rises, those crystals will release that lovely ammonia smell, making your home smell like a kennel. Mistake number 2, using bleach. Never, ever use bleach on urine. First, bleach does not break down uric acid crystals. And second, because urine contains ammonia, when you mix that with bleach, you can create chloramine gases, which can cause burning of the eyes, coughing, chest tightness, and more. So never use bleach when cleaning urine. Mistake number 3, scrubbing. Not only can scrubbing permanently damage the tips of the fiber, scrubbing only pushes the odors and stains deeper into the carpeting pad, which makes removal that much harder. Mistake number 4, using heat. Steam cleaners and hot waters can set the stains and make odors harder to remove, so only use room temperature cleaners during your initial treatment. And mistake number 5, masking the odor. Powders and air fresheners may hide the odors temporarily, but they don't remove the stains or odors. They just cover it up. So unless you want those odors coming back for a visit, remove them. Don't hide them. I'm Jeff with Dayton Carpet, and I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching.